To C2C Mentors. Today we'll be solving the fifth set of VARC, and I hope we all are finding something or the other valuable from these videos, because these are long videos and long investment at this time, I suppose, when you could be preparing to. So we try to deliver the best we could right now. Yes. Anyway, let's get into it. Last few days, hang in there and have faith in your prep. So Arjun is ready too. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we need the notepad. Okay. Sung a little. Just give me a second. There you go. It started. So there we have the notepad, and we can check out. So starting again, we have VA over here. So fifth tak it's VA. Sixth, let's check out. Okay, seventh, it's VA. Okay, eighth is also VA. Ninth. Go. So from ninth we have a passage 9 to. Let's just check out. Is it okay? 13th tak it's the same passage. 14th tak it's a different passage. So 9 to 13. So we have 5 questions, and what is the passage about? Just see. Community, social group, continuous self-renewal. Okay, education is just a fostering. Etymologically, education means. Okay, so this is about education as a concept. Okay. Central idea of the passage, subjective. Statement shows the relation of education and environment molding human behavior. Okay. 11th का scope छोटा है, which are the best enhances the concept of environment according to the passage. 10th is also objective. So the following will vary as the means of education. Okay. 13, play a general role set of behavior. So 10, 11, 13, I would say. Okay, so 10, 11, 13. Let's go on to the next one, 14, 2. Let's check out, is it till 18? Okay, 18 may be. Okay, is it going to change? Yeah, same passage. 14 to 18 again we have 5 questions, and next will be 19 to 22 because there are only 22 questions over there. So 4 questions, and यहाँ पे semicolon लगा दो. What is this about? We are at 14. Second most common death for those age between suicide है क्या? Suicide है, ठीक है. Interesting topic. थोड़ा सा serious. Which of the following is true according to the passage? Objective. Which of the following reasons cannot be attributed relatively high? Okay, objective. We have the 16th one. Cannot be said to be contributory factor to Indians. Okay, a little convoluted but still objective, I would say. The author recommends that. Okay, 16 say I would prefer this one or that. The author expresses serious concern about. Okay, so there are more objective questions over here. 14, 15, 17, 18. Okay, so this automatically becomes my first preference. 17, 18. And then we have fourth set, which is it's called 19 years. Stakes of politics have become this. So it may take more and more courage to stand up for what we hold dear. Okay, it's about politics. Focus on topic and go. Decline of democracy, demanding complex solution. Okay, so politics, and it's about democracy. Okay, and which of the following summarizes the author's viewpoint? No. All of the following are not supported by the passage except, okay, the word. Okay, this is somewhat narrow. Which of the following most author agree with? 21, I would say, is the only one. Okay, there you go. 21 is the only one that I would be keeping. There goes. So now we have PJ. No, first we'll write summary, OOO, and then PJ. Yeah, begin that. There we have it. So the first one is PJ, second is PJ, third is summary, fourth is summary. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully next is OO. Okay, fifth is summary, good. Sixth is OOO. Okay, so let's just write that over here. Fifth is summary. Sixth is odd one out. Seventh is also odd one out. Eighth one is also odd one out. Okay, there you go. 7 and 8. 6, 7 and 8. Good. So there are 2 summaries. There are 3 summaries, 2 P's and 3 O's. So my strength wala part are on the heavier side. So suicide automatically becomes the first article that I'll be reading about. This will be the second, and democracy automatically becomes the third. This was the easiest selection criteria, honestly. So let's begin. We are on the 14th one. According to the recent study by Lancet Studies, the second most common cause of suicide is the second most common cause of death for those aged between 50 and 10 million. 47 days to the these 41 days between the second plus psychiatrist and the one play communication of many of these that are in the level economic data. One person in the first work, but usually much more painful in chances of survival, which means that there is a more percentage of survival. I will do the work and public application of there is stronger and more situation that must be from the real bank. So it's giving necessary. Any family structure answers for so it does not actually allow millions to express their emotions freely without society, without an adequate social outlook and expression. Take to the system. India has the most high rate of severe depression of 18. In fact, the same applies for other social signs of India. In this case, category of Indian magnetism. Almost twice as high as urban areas, and for there is also still a stigma around receiving treatment for mental issues and from depression to that need to change if India's community opens worldwide upon 1 billion people die by suicide every year. India has 14 years and 60%. It's a very positive thing. People aged 15 to 44. Okay, 33. The following is true. Okay, let's go. Which of the following is true according to the comparative rate of suicide in developed countries is approximately 12. Okay, comparative rate. So the following is true according to the passage. Okay, 12 per million per annum. Here, considering countries like USA, UK, about 8 hours suicide. The percentage of Indian women aged between 15 and 29 in 2010 was about 10% less than that of Indian men. The percentage of Indian women, no, actually that was more, right? So this is not true. 52 tha women ka, while for male it was 40%. Right. I saw that. Yeah, there it was about 76%. It's more. There. India topped the list of 18 dire from the 2010 studies, topped the list of dire depressive nations. Okay. India, China in registering maximum number of suicides in absolute terms. Okay, this D is true, but A also seems to be true. Comparative rate of suicide in developed countries is approximately, okay. See that India's rate is approximately 16, okay. So the comparative rate, is it? Okay, so this okay. A lot of time I've spent on this particular, and this is genuinely which of the following is true according to the page? Genuinely confusing now. There are too many, right? The 18 one is also here, and it's in 2011, so that goes away, right? So this and this is gone. To this and this, A and D के बीच में I am confused. D I knew this. Okay, so we'll just mark D for now. Okay, or just clear response and mark this for review. I have spent too much time on that. Okay, which of the following reasons cannot be attributed relatively high rate of suicide in rural India? Okay, which of the following cannot be attributed? Debt-ridden farmers have no option left but to take their lives as the last resort. Cannot. Okay, village folk migrating to urban areas tend to lose out on rest. Fair. Males in rural India are deprived of effective means to give a vent to their emotion. That was true for everywhere, not in rural India. So see, up until now, it has my issue. Suicide attempts by self-poisoning and hanging typically reduce the rates of survival. Relatively high rate of suicide. Okay, cannot be attributed. Yeah. Yeah, this one was may aid prevent there is stronger. Yeah, यहाँ पे था suicide every year as a society. There was somewhere over here. Just give me a second. I'll just show to you all. Yeah, I'm not able to find, but I think that generalization was for both our society and yeah, both the segments, not just restricted to males in rural India. So that's why C will be my answer for that. This was pretty easy. Let's really rush through this right now. It's taking a lot of time. So the following cannot be said to be contributory factors to Indians worsening mental health. Okay, cannot be said. Psychiatric clinics not being adequate to tackle problems of India. Okay, no, that's no. Said to be contributory factor, no. A social attitude that regards treatment of mental problem as a taboo. And worsening mental health, okay, right? This is also there, so that is also no. Ranking of worst accorded to India in study of, okay, C outright goes away. This is the result of it. This is not the causation, right? Failure on part of Indians to handle work and money matters aggregate. There you go. So I'll just go very confidently with that. And the author recommends that suicide attempts in India need to be decriminalized, right? Attempts in India recommends that joint family system should be restored for better social support. No, this he did not recommend. Mental health should be accorded overriding priority in India's socio-political structure. I don't think it was overriding, right? Access to pesticides should be restricted, particularly in rural areas. Okay, no. This is A. Yeah, he recommends that. I remember reading it. That needs to be done. There needs to be some changes that imposing prison sentences. Okay, you're getting rid of colonial laws like they have. This one would be the first. That's why that goes 17 very confidently. The author expresses serious concern about the stigma of living with depression in the world at large. Okay, the high incidence as well as growth rate of suicide all over the world. Okay, this he has mentioned, yes. Soaring debts being such a worldwide phenomenon. C he has not done, so D also gets goes away. So C and D eliminated. Sigma living with depression in the world at large is other. This he has directly mentioned. High incidence as well as growth rate of suicide all over the rate, 60%. That's what he ends at, right? So I will go with this. 14 I've not marked. Let's go with the next passage. I am sorry I took so much time for this one. Should not have. That's not very smart of y'all to do that. was objective and that's why I was trying. A community or a social group sustains itself through continuous self-renewal, and this renewal takes place by means of educational growth of immature members of the society. That group by various agencies beings into robust trustees of its own resources and ideal. Education is thus a fostering and nurturing and cultivating and a process. Okay, etymologically the word education just means just the process of bringing up. When we have the outcome of the process in mind, we speak of education as shaping, forming, molding activity, that is a shaping into standard form of social activity. Since what is required in the transformation of the quality of experience till it partakes in the interest of purposes and ideas current in the social group. The problem is evidently not one of mere physical forming. Things can be physically transported in space, they may be bodily conveyed, beliefs and aspirations cannot be physically extracted and inserted. How then are they communicated? Given the impossibility of direct contagion or literal inculcation, a problem is to discover whether the young assimilate the point of view of the old, or the older bring the young into like-mindedness with themselves. In general, formulation is by means of action of environment calling out certain responses. Cannot be hammered in. Requirements. The needed attribute cannot be plastered on, but the particular medium in which him to have certain plans in order that he may act successfully with others, strengthen some beliefs and weakens others as a condition of winning the approvals of others. If it produces in him a certain system of behavior, a certain disposition of action, the word environment denotes something more than that encompass an individual. They denote the specific continuity of surroundings with his active tendencies. An inanimate being is, of course, continuous with its surrounding, but the environing circumstances do not same metaphorically an environment. For the inorganic being is not concerned with the influence that affect it. So on the other hand, some things that are remote in space and time from a living creature, especially a human creature, may form his environment even more truly than some of the things close to him. The things with which a man varies are his genuine environment. Okay. Vary with the stars, of course. The surrounding is telescope. Telescope is most activities of astronomy vary with the stars. Surrounding this telescope is most intimately his environment. The environment of an antiquarian consists of the remote epoch of human life with which he is concerned, and the relics, inscriptions, magnets, his connection with the period. Indeed, the environment consists of those conditions that promote or hinder, stimulate or elevate the characters and activities of a living being. The environment of a fish because it possesses of the fish activity to its life, not for significant element of the environment of active explorer, whether he succeeds in reaching it or not, because it defines his activities, makes them what they distinctively are. Fire is not bare passive existing but a way of acting. Environment or medium signifies what enters this activity as a sustaining or frustrating condition. Fair enough. Good passage. I liked it. Central idea of the passage can be, okay, let's look at what the objective ones are. We had 10, 11 and 13. So let's look at 10. This statement best shows the relation of education and environment molding human behavior. Okay, social endurance comes when there is continuous modification by education. No. The social system depends on quality of education. Okay, not very convincing, also not what it's saying. All enlightenment should correlate with the current interest of the masses. Okay, the compendious behavior that education plays in the hammering role and the required pressure that environment exerts. Compendious behavior that education plays in the hammering role and the required pressure that environment exerts. Okay, this one definitely is encompassing more than whatever we are trying to convey, right? So that's why my answer for 10th will be D. Okay, which of the following best enhances the concept of environment according to the passage? Okay, environment works poignantly with education to impart certain norms of behavior. That is true. That is something that came across. All active and passive circumstances have an effect on environment. Okay, effect on environment. Okay, no. Environment is dominated by a few proclaimed tendencies. Both man and environment work on each other. Man working on environment is not something that they've written. Man works poignantly with education to impart certain norms of behavior. That's what it's talking about. According to the passage is talking about environment with respect to education, and that's why that becomes my answer. Okay, 10, 11 and 13. Okay, there you go. How does environment play a role in general formulation of a set of behavior? The legacy of the forefathers passed on to new generations through environment. Okay, proper environment induces a certain set of socially acceptable behavior and belief system, more correct, and also what it's saying. Strong social environment can levy force to induce a set of behavior. No. No, induces a certain set of social environment enhances a few beliefs, okay, and shakes the worn out beliefs to evolve a set of behaviors. Social environment enhances a few beliefs and takes the worn out beliefs to evolve a set of behavior. Worn out beliefs के बारे में nothing has been said. That's why B is more correct than D. D is in parts correct, but this shakes down the worn out beliefs to evolve a set of behavior. Maybe I don't agree with that. That did not come across in any of the places. So we are at 12th question. Which of the following situations represent the idea of environment as a means of education? Okay, and as an astronomer learning about stars through telescope, an antiquarian learns of primitive things through antiques, Arctic explorer studying cold dipping temperature in North Pole. The idea of environment as a means of education. Okay. Fish in water actively works and the total existence depends on it. Best represents the idea of environment as a means of education. Studying cold dipping temperature in North Pole. Yeah. Arctic explorer ka would make more sense because that there is direct interaction with the environment, right? Learns of primitive things through antiques. An astronomer learns about stars through telescope. Best represents, like these are also there, but this I think would be more correct. Let's mark it and mark for review. We can come and explore it a little later. And finally, we are at 9th. The central idea of the passage can be best summarized as the environment of man works on him as much as he works on the environment. Okay, a human being continuously acts and reacts on his environment. Okay, education is imparting values and sharpening of faculties of citizens and is responsible for development of a society. Imparting values and sharpening of faculties of citizens is responsible for development of a society. Okay, education leads a society towards progress and preservation alike. This is not there. Central idea, education is imparting values and sharpening of faculties of citizens is responsible for development of a society. Sharpening of faculties to bola hai. A and B environment man works on him as much as he works on his environment. When we continue acts and reacts on his environment. He's not. Is he working on the environment? A human being continuously. That's what we are talking about. They are not showing a bilateral way. They are showing how environment ke upar we act and react. Yeah. B is more correct. Yeah. C and D you can eliminate easily. Leads a society towards progress and preservation alike. ऐसा नहीं बोला है. Is nothing talking dominantly about that. Imparting values and sharpening of faculty. No, just no. C and D no, but B more correct than A. Okay, so I think we are. Oh, we have one more left. Stakes of politics have become existential, right? Monarch in the people also have pitched up a bracing call to arms for all those who fear that the liberal democracy are being rapidly eroded in the years to come. It may take more and more courage to stand up for what we hold dear. Apocalyptic visions are in vogue. Seems Monk's books on contemporary threats to liberal democracy subtitled Why Our Freedom is in Danger and How to Save It might easily be sold as part of Villanarian package deal with Steven Levinsky, Daniel Ziblatt's How Democracies Die, Schneider's On Tyranny, and the Jonah Goldberg Suicide of the West. What distinguishes Monk's contribution to the genre for good and ill is what we might call its fundamental voxiness. Its currency in the cafe society of liberal Washington. At the level of form, voxiness combines a seemingly insatiable desire to convey the latest social science with a correspondingly steadfast refusal of wide-ranging normative argument. This is what generates its astonishing capacity at the level of content to somehow both overturn conventional wisdom and reaffirm the pre-existing beliefs of reasonable people. Scalpel at the ready, Monk approaches our ailing body politic with a comprehensive vision in three-part diagnosis, etiology, and therapy. Diagnosis, which forms the longest selection in the book, is that liberal democracy has been pulled apart not only in places like Venezuela, Hungary, but also in Western Europe and United States by the force of populist authoritarianism on one hand and oligarchic technocracy on the other. The etiology and the therapy are more complicated. Among the sources of our woes are stagnating living standards, newfound ethnic pluralism, relentless globalization, growing skepticism about core liberal democratic value, and the remedies lie in the multifarious prescription for bolstering productivity, rehabilitating national identity, recovering national sovereignty, taming. That is a lot to swallow, but in Monck's opinion, complex problem requires a complex solution. Okay, fair enough. So, for just summarizes author's main point, the highlight around an infamous event demanding a strategic approach. Infamous event, the endeavor to increase awareness about the high risk of the survival of democracy. No. An attempt to project how Monck's contribution was unique. Author's main point, unique while confirming to the genre of contemporary threats to liberal democracy. C is more correct than A. An attempt to depict how changing times increases the magnitude of challenges of the C. So 22 will be 19 will be C. My bad. So 19 हो गया, 20 will come at. 1 second. Yeah. All the following are not supported by the passage except liberal. So what is supported? Liberal democracy problems can be split into components and dealt separately. Can be split into components and dealt separately. Are not supported. All the following are not supported. Significant proportion of people believe that roots of democracy are being obliterated. No. Significant proportion of people. ऐसा तो कहीं बोला तो नहीं है. We need to find out what is supported. Might become harder to stay firm and committed to a cause commonly shared and cherished. See, they have outright mentioned it also. Hold dear wala sentence na. Simplistic approach towards salvaging democracy will be utterly inappropriate. No. There you go. So we come to Vauxina's question. Monck's work presents a paradox as it repeals a conventional norm while accepting ones that appeal to a logical mind. That's what they meant over there. Let's check out other options too. So A is fine right now. Element of contrast was prevalent in Monck's work. The prevailing democratic tradition that he opposed were also the foundations of his work. No. Popularity of Monck's work in the liberal Washington circle was due to his clear and precise style of writing. No. Seemingly insatiable desire to 15 minutes. Seemingly insatiable desire to affirm the conventional wisdom in the cafe society of liberal Washington was the reason behind. They have directly mentioned this, so I'm confused between A and D. Let me just understand. Is what we might call the fundamental its currency in the cafe society of liberal Washington. And with the later social science with the cosmos. Right. This makes sense. The desire to reaffirm the conventional wisdom in the cafe. No. It's not affirming the conventional wisdom. That was the whole point, right? So let's look onto this. Which of the following would the author most agree with? It is an existential challenge for democracy indeed. Would the author existential challenge for democracy indeed? No, there are solutions that he is proposing. Author most agree with. Social media needs to be put on a leash. This they have not mentioned anywhere. So 2 and 3 तो eliminate हो जाएगा, but 1 and 2 भी eliminate हो जाएगा because 2 तो है नहीं, right? So all of these also eliminate. So none of these आना चाहिए, right? So since not that this gets eliminated, this gets eliminated, this gets eliminated. So I don't have to look much for this answer. Let's go, and we have approximately 13-14 minutes. Are we done? We are done. We have one question which we mark for review. And it's a small paper. It's a good small paper. Let's look at summary. Which summaries are there? 3, 4 and 5. So we'll go on to third one. Okay, so are we at the third one? Socrates equated knowledge with virtue, which ultimately led to ethical conduct. He believed that the only life worth living was one that was righteous, rigorously examined. He looked for principles and actions that were worth living by, ethical base upon which decisions should be made. Socrates firmly believed that knowledge and understanding of virtue or the good was sufficient for someone to be happy. To him, knowledge of the good was almost akin to an enlightened state. He believed that no person could willingly choose to do something harmful or negative if they were fully aware of the values of life. A well-lived man is the one that is lived by people who mean no harm. Okay. Man's life depends on the choices he makes in life based on his level of awareness. B नहीं है. Sense of heightened awareness holds the key to a life of satisfaction. Heightened awareness. The road to a fulfilling life was paved by principles and actions regarded good by an individual. I'm confused between A and C. So, should we... It's 12 minutes. Okay, wait. A well-lived life is the one that is lived by people who mean no harm. Or firmly that knowledge and understanding of which you look for principles. Yeah, there. I believe was rigorously examined. So I think this is what he wanted to convey. Rigorously examined. Between A and C, that's how I will eliminate. So it is no way cynicism to see the sordid side of humanity. When the innate diabolical element in a man grows stronger in its power and gets him in its grip, he begins to behave in a manner which is even worse than that of barbaric beasts. Thus, while taking the precarious walk of life, when confronted with such nefarious people, we have to talk with a caution, as such people are capable of playing wreak havoc with our moods. This cunning class of people is called ferocious predators who only intend is to pounce on the innocent and the naive with fake smiles and hidden daggers, to sprawl their arms not to lovingly embrace but to furtively stab at a man with a virtuous bent of mind has to act wise to ward off this devious design. Okay. One should understand the futility of unwarranted conflicts. The act of judicious avoidance is in cowardice. When evil controls the actions of humanity, results are disturbing. Okay. In diabolical and grows stronger in its run. Okay. A barbaric beast plays havoc with everyone's mood. That's not true. Isn't to see the sordid side of humanity. Okay. So fourth one is a little difficult, and that's why I'm going to be marking this for review. I'm not going to be attempting this one just cause every situation in life comes with a lesson in it. If it is favorable, it means a sweet memory. If it is against us, we learn from it. Either way, it will work to make us strong, and in turn, we will be ready to face similar situations we grow up in life. So don't be afraid of any situation. Don't be afraid of any situation. Don't live under the fear of what will happen next. Be an optimistic observer. Life is very beautiful, so don't waste it living in fear, anxiety, tension about the future. Live in the present and have an optimistic view for life so that life is saved and not spent. Okay, nothing wrong ever happened. The perceived wrong was we were unable to find the positive in it. Accept the challenges of life rather than being upset about them. Live life in present with positive approach towards everything. Okay, C is more correct. Ups and downs are a part of life and the struggle stays as long as there is breath. Yeah, this positive approach is what they're talking about. There you go. So I think we are done. Now on to OOOs, which is 6, 7, 8. So we are on 6. Are we on 6? There you go. Only when pushed to explain, when we think we know in detail, do we briefly apprehend the epistemological abyss gaping beneath our beliefs. Reality is annoying like that. At every level of examination, raising more connect questions and answers. We lie to ourselves about how much we understand. Humans who famously cannot bear too much reality have evolved a method of coping with all this complexity. There are always details that don't fit, exceptions for rules, consequences that can't be predicted. We lie to us about how much we understand, that's why humans cannot bear too much. They appear in the epistemological abyss gaping beneath our beliefs. Beliefs के ऊपर नहीं है. These four are making more coherent sense. This could be in the next paragraph maybe, but not together. They could be conveying the same idea, or it has a similar tone, but not the same paragraph for sure. Not in coherent idea. But these four are very coherent. Okay, reality को question कर रहे हैं, and how it raises more questions. They're always in detail that it won't fit. Then that's why humans. We lie to, okay, that's why humans who famously cannot bear too much reality of coping with all this complexity. We lie to others about how much we understand. There you go. Right? That fits like a proper sentence. Remained obscure until 1975 when Richard Blackmore at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution in NASA made the same discovery using similar techniques. When no other sensory aid is available, some non-human animals can guide themselves using Earth's magnetic field. This means that Earth, like other smaller magnets, can be aligned a compass needle towards the sun, property known as polarity. Our planet is an enormous magnetic object whose internal electrical charge causes it to be positive at one end and negative at the other. The magnet represented in textbooks by lines of force that predict where precisely the needle will point. Can physically align a compass needle towards the north and south, property known as polarity. Oceanographic क्यों आ रहा है? तो what? One. These four are talking about one concept. This is also very blatantly obvious, this one, honestly. On the 8th one, our instructor had assigned several books of Paradise Lost in the fall semester, and I simply could not get into his verse. He became one of my favorite authors as much for overwhelming. Okay, very ending में आया तो ending में आएगा ये वाला sentence. In my first year introduction to the genre of English literature, Milton made me stumble. Not get into his verse. My freshman year was full of boisterous, boozy entertainment, and despite his stentorian voice, Milton could hardly be heard over the noise. Okay, I had been an avid reader throughout high school, but had never encountered syntax as concreted and formal as his. My favorite author as much for the overwhelming feeling of reading him as for the intellectual world he built in his epic. You were full of boisterous, okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all are from the same, I think same book or same page, same article, but second one is not fitting in. Like if I had to choose an odd one out, if I didn't have to choose an odd one out, I would try to end the sentence with second one, but second one suddenly comes into play. He is building on the fact that he did not like or he found Milton's job to be very difficult. Okay? There needs to be a bridge between these four sentences and the second one. So for that reason, I'll choose the second one over here. Okay, let's go. So we have 1 and 2. Wow, very small paper, very easily done, honestly. कोई issue नहीं है, but this is the most annoying part because there are 5 sentences now that I have to deal with. Okay, yeah, I have good feeling about the rest of the paper. With accuracy also to be maintained. I'm talking right now, see. Because I'm abusing the power that I have. Fourth one also done, right? Oh yeah, we didn't do this. We should be doing that. We didn't do that. The celebration of economic recovery in Washington may be as premature as the mission accomplished banner hung in the USS Abraham Lincoln to hail the end of Iraq War. Meanwhile, in the real world, the struggles of families, communities continued unabated. Okay, this is not the start. Washington responded to the favorable turn in economic news with enthusiasm. Okay, when the celebration and high five up and down Pennsylvania Avenue was not to be found beyond the Beltway. When the third quarter GDP showed growth of 7.2 and the monthly unabated euphoria gripped the US Capitol news with enthusiasm. Right, 5 के बाद 3 आना चाहिए ना, right? When the third quarter GDP, then उसके बाद में वॉशिंगटन ने celebration high five up and down Pennsylvania are not to be found beyond the Beltway. Then 5, 3, 4 आ सकता है, right? And then 2 आ सकता है. So 5, 3, 4, 2. Meanwhile, in the real world, the struggle of families and communities continue unabated. Economic recovery may be as premature as the mission accomplished banner hung as the USS Abraham Lincoln to hail the end of the Iraq War. Okay, so this is something that we can end on. So 1 पे end हो जाएगा. So we can begin with 5, then we go on to 3. Okay, 5, 3. Then we can go on to, beyond the Beltway. 2 and 4 के बीच में. So now the issue is meanwhile then doesn't add up if I add 2 after 4. ठीक है. So meanwhile this is also a statement and then meanwhile that makes sense. ठीक है. So meanwhile कर देंगे. In the real world the struggle of families. Okay, the celebration and high five. So fourth one आ जाएगा and then we'll go with celebration of the end sentence. ठीक है. Simple था ये वाला. Not bad at all. Walt does not simply divide Israel from putative Palestinian state on the basis of 1967 borders. Okay, a chilling omission from the roadmap is the gigantic separation wall now being built in the West Bank by Israel. It is surrounded by trenches, electric wire and moats. There are watchtowers at regular intervals. Actually takes in the new tracts of Palestine, sometimes 5 or 6 kilometers at a stretch. Almost a decade after the end of South African apartheid, this ghastly racist wall is going up with scarcely a peep from Israel's American allies who are going to pay for most of it. Okay, so omission from the roadmap, gigantic separation wall now built in the West Bank by Israel. Well, does not simply divide Israel from putative Palestinian state on the basis of 1967 border, right? It actually takes a new track. So 2-1-4 होना चाहिए. ठीक है. That's my bet. 2-1-4. Okay. Takes in new tracts of Palestinian land, sometimes at a stretch. It is surrounded by trenches, electric wire moats. There are watchtowers at regular intervals. 3. Then giving a little more detail, and then you end with almost a decade. Right? It's a good one. I like this one. Fun set. Okay, we still have a little time on us, so we can go over here and try to answer this one. It is in no way cynicism to see the sordid side of humanity. No way cynicism to see the sordid side of when the innate diabolical element in a man grows. Okay. Man gets him in his grip, he begins to behave in a manner which is even worse than that of barbaric beasts. Thus, while taking the precarious walk of life when confronted with such nefarious people, to walk with the caution as such people are capable of playing havoc with our mood. One class of people is like ferocious predators. Futility, unwarranted conflicts. Nahi hai. Okay. Ferocious predators whose only interest is to pounce on the innocent and the naive. With fake smiles and hidden daggers, they sprawl their arms not to lovingly embrace, but to furtively stab. But a man with virtuous mind has to act wise. Okay. Act of judicious avoidance isn't cowardice. That's not the best summary. When evil controls the actions of men, the results are disturbing. The barbaric beast plays नहीं रहा. Barbaric beast से भी worse था वो. So D नहीं है. C is somewhat right. I'm not completely convinced. One should understand futility of unwarranted conflicts. That A is definitely not there. Judicious avoidance isn't cowardice, is not something that he is, but it is more apparent, I would say, right? Then maybe controls the actions of humanity. So smart that. Let's take that risk. Okay, I've taken a risk, so let's see now. Very easy paper, honestly, because only 22 questions. I had enough time. I even chit-chatted with you all a bit, right? So I think this was the LOD of this paper was easy to medium. Even the passages, except for the political one, the other two were quite easy to read. Even the political ka passage had very little weightage. Like there were only 4 questions, right? So that was fine. And the other 2 passages were also easy to be done easily. The PJs were very easy. We'll just wait for the result. The other 2 were easy to decipher. So, okay, there you go. Accuracy is at 95. Okay. Yeah, I attempted 21 out of 22. Yeah, because it was a small paper, right? At the end of the day, we got 20 correct. So, what did we get one wrong? Let me just check. Can do a question wise summary of this. Okay, there you go. Okay. Oh, okay. The summary was wrong. Okay, the right one was C. What is the reasoning for this? Is it this? I don't think so. Yeah. I want to see the solution. Oh, there you go. Context is about the disturbance created by the ill-behavior people who tend to harm others in one way or the other. Three best contain the essence of the passage and not appropriate. Okay, fair enough. So the evil for me was a little too extreme, and this one was playing it safe, but you know what, that came to be wrong. And that's fine. I think others we got right, more or less. Right? Yeah. Except for this 14th, which we did not attempt. So we can just check it out. Yeah, right, this one. Okay, it's D. So why is it not A? What is the paragraph? India has the second highest absolute number of... Yeah, that's true. But I don't understand why A is not the answer. I thought that could also be working. Okay, so that's fair. Let's move on, guys. This was it for the 5th sectional test. I hope there is something or the other to take off of it. There were lesser questions. The sets were easier. And even the VA I found to be relatively easier this time. So thank you so much for sticking around. And I hope all the best for your exams, all the best for your prep. And we'll still be coming with a few more videos. Thank you.